To another live stream with me at P4 Spire. How we all doing? How guys are we doing? How's our day been so far? And how's the market been? Has it been treating us? Have we been trading the market? Have we been cashing out? Have we been making the bags? Have just share in the comment section if you care to share. If you don't mind, guys, it's still myself, my humble self, P4 Spire, and I'm here uh, to live trade again. Currently back on the MEA token, so I'm going to be trading the MEA token against the USDT. So currently, this is like a big news, guys. See, the MEA token is currently doing very well in the market. I can see some kind of corrective move of late in the market. Yeah, and this is a very big news. This is I'm just kind of so happy for those of us that held. I was able to ride the market all up to this point. Congratulations. I hope some of us are smiling at the moment. And if you know you missed out on this trade, you can also join out this trade. And be able to cash out too and make some money off the market too, guys. So yeah, I'll quickly have to pause my live stream. So if you by chance maybe stumbled on this live and you see it paused, don't panic. I'll be right back in a couple of minutes. I just have to quickly share my link as usual, as you know how we all do it here, guys. So share my link and gets people to join the live. Yeah, so if you can also do well to share the link to your friends, your family, or whatever community you are on Web3, and so they can get to join the live and let's learn together and let's rub minds together. So yeah, I will be right back. Just in a jiffy, guys. Thank you, guys. So yeah, guys, welcome back, guys. I'm back again. I just had to share the link. Sorry for keeping you guys waiting. And yeah, back to the trade, guys. You can see of late the market is kind of recuperating. You can see a little bit of corrective measures here and there. I think that's what's happening of late. And we saw a consolidation at this point before the big move that took us to this 0.00990 before. Because yeah, I think of late when last I did the live trading, the price of MEA token price was about 0.0078, if I'm not mistaken. But now the market did a very pretty nice move, guys. This is in the 4 hours. So let's go to the 15 where it's better, where we can see it's better and understand it okay. So that the market did a very nice where right about here, where guys. So he did a very nice move here, did another one. So we hit 0.01, guys. We hit 0.01 despite the crash in the market of late. And this is a very, very beautiful news because people there were able to hold the trade up to this point. From this point up to here, they cashed out, went in profit. And here you can see Mecca is, you can see the price actions that's going on in the market, and this is very beautiful. Why don't you just invest in Mecca? Just buy the token, guys. I'm holding actually, and I'm so happy. Yeah, though honestly, I already left the market before this big move happened. So yeah, and currently I'm going to be placing a trade here. You can see there's a lot of support at this point, though we are seeing that uh, yeah, support is in the trade now, so I think this is in for a buy because I promise you guys I'm going to be trading whenever I come live, regardless. You get me? So yeah, of late you can see that even the crypto market of late has had some kind of healing a little bit uh, after the crash that just happened of late. It really affected a lot of tokens in the market, a lot of features and everything were affected because even the Bitcoin too, which is like a stand-on point, like it was also affected too. So currently, I saw a couple of retracement about some weeks or months ago on Bitcoin. We are hoping that the market was going to maybe find support at that point at about, I think the price was about, I can't remember, like 6,000 thereabout. But now I don't know, but we're seeing a little bit of corrective measures in the market now. So, and that is great news. That is great news, and uh, yeah. So, back to the trade. I'm going to also be sharing a little bit of insight into Project Mecca, spelled MECCA. So you get me, MECCA. So I'm going to share a couple of insights, things you need to know about Project Mecca, what they are building, what they have in store for us, what the ecosystem is all about, why Mecca is different from other projects. But before I go into details like that, if you don't mind, you can watch a couple of my lives, stay on this channel and see for yourself why you should join the moving train of the Mecca and the community, and so you don't miss out. So before that, I have to quickly place a trade, and while the trade is going on, I'm going to be break, breaking down a lot of things. And yes, so let's quickly take on this trade, guys. Yeah, before that, I think I just want to take a break, just 2 minutes, and I will be back 2 minutes to get some things ready, guys. 2 minutes. So welcome back, guys. I just had to clear up some things, and now I'm about to take this trade, guys. So stay with me while I place this trade. Uh, yes, our order has been filled. Yippee! So let's get right into the trade and let's see. Yeah, the order has been taken, and I'm going to just write this for a little bit more. Though I didn't take a proper analysis on this trade before hopping into it, but for I have so much faith in Mecca because I was so happy of the moves, the things we saw in the market. That was day before yesterday. Yes, I think that was day before yesterday when I saw that massive move from that's 0.7. I'm looking for the points here and where we work out that great move. So the market made a higher high at this point, 0.1. So we hit 0.01, guys. Don't snooze, don't play. We're not here to play. We're not here to play. So yeah, uh, while the trade is on, I'm going to quickly get right into. I want to show you guys a couple of things in the community and here. So why you should be joining Mecca, why you should not be left out of Mecca. I'm not saying all this are not like hype. I'm not yapping, guys. I'm not hyping. All these are glaring. So I'm going to show you what Mecca is doing, coin market, cap. We're going to do a little bit of analysis there. Currently, I'm in the BingX app. You can join me and open your BingX app. And yes, let's do this together, guys. I want us to do this together. So yeah, oh then what just happened? What just happened? Uh, that's what happens in the market. That's why I want to live trade so you guys can see exactly how the token is doing, price actions in the market, and a lot. So yep. Why this trade is going, I want to quickly get into. Let's quickly go to the Telegram. So I'm going to pause the slide for a couple of seconds, and so I can get my Telegram set. Yep. So yeah, guys, and welcome back. Welcome back. I just had to set up my Telegram for a bit. So yeah, I'm currently now on the Mecca chat on Telegram. So if you are not in this community, you can join in the link description below. So just join by clicking the link in my description below. If you cannot click it, you can just copy it and you paste it in your Telegram search bar. And you're going to get into this, or better still, just search the Mecca chat and you're going to get it. Guys, you're going to get into the community. Currently, let me just enter the announcement. Currently, the sprint, Mecca had a sprint on Zilly, and the current sprint is currently over. And I think it ended yesterday. So a lot of us are now very happy. Those of us that participated in the sprint, and we're able to win a little bit of cash prize here and there, at minimum about $10. That's something. You get me? That's something. That's one of the things you stand to gain when you join the community. You get reward for participating in the ecosystem. You get reward both creator empowerment and a lot of things. So even for playing game in the ecosystem, you get rewarded for your artwork, for your consistency, for just your participation, your engagement in the community. You get rewarded. You get rewarded income wise, that's monetary wise. You get rewarded knowledgeable wise because you get to learn. Connection wise, you get to connect with people, and you also get to increase your creativity. So yeah, this is currently the announcement, and I think the admin of the group was making announcement, keep out by name, and here. So currently, if you join the sprint and you didn't see this news, go and quickly drop a GM in the Twitter below. The link was pasted here so that yeah, you don't miss out on your rewards. See, yeah. So that aside, let's quickly get into the general chat to see for ourselves. Yeah, I told you guys the sprint ended, and yeah, So there's a lot of people that are complaining. That's for those that were having a little bit of issues with your Zilli account or whatever. You just have to come to the community. In this community is where you get solutions to little problems here and there. And you can get to connect, you get to ask questions, and you get answered. You can see our admin as a manager is a very active one. You see consistency and engagement is at its peak in this community. So yeah, uh, you get your reward, you get your response as soon as possible. You get your reply. Just ask the question. Someone that asked that we're going to be receiving our rewards today, and our active admin, powered by him. So you say that everybody in this group are active. This is not like a hype or bot or whatever you think. These are organically generated engagement, organically by human beings, not bots. This is not anything but. So yeah, that aside, uh, that aside, I just wanted to give you a soft of the community. You can see here, here's the winners list out. Somebody already responded to him. It's already out. Check the announcement. Somebody already responded to you. So just show you how the community is and how we are growing together to build something, to make revolutions in the ecosystem, the Web3 ecosystem, and what have you. So, be you a gamer, be you an NFT artist, be you whatever you are, a creator in this space, Mecca has a lot in store for you. Guys, I'm very big at community building. I'm very big at community because once you, to be able to know, if you want to know the communities, if you want to know projects that are going to do well, go far, just like Binance, just like um, Binance, like Bitcoin, and likes, sorry, Binance, Bitcoin, sorry. You see from the community, yes, the community. So, uh, who did this? Okay. Wow, this is lovely. Your touch writes my every line, turns fleeting hours into time in every breath. Is somebody writing the poem in the group? Oh, there. Oh, my days. Well, yeah, I think she's expressing how Mecca has been of great benefit to her. Love, likes, where hearts are intertwined. So I think she's expressing. Some people can't even help it. So yeah, so that's that's the kind of the things you stand to gain too. So yeah, I've shared this Telegram community. BU Brazil. They also have other communities depending on whatever zone, whatever continent you are in. Korean, Brazil, China, whatever. Indonesia, you can get to connect with people, connect with your fellow like Web3 enthusiasts and believers, Mecca believers too. So that aside, let me quickly take you through our X, the Mecca X page for you to see and that it's not play, it's not child's play. And we're going to check a couple of things on Google and do we're going to take a look at the white paper, Mecca's white paper, and a couple of things. And in this video, I might also be able to share how to stake your Mecca token if you want to stake it for future purposes. You can stake it for a couple of durations you wish to, and yeah. So and POV, just FYI, sorry for your information. Actually, the Mecca token, MEA token, has been listed on BingX and the MEXC Globals is already listed on some couple of platforms. So you can go and buy, you can go and sell, you can stake, you can swap, and a lot of things. And you can also carry out transactions in the ecosystem using the MEA token, guys. So yeah, that'll be also a couple of minutes, seconds actually. I want to just quickly go to my X. So I'm going to show you things you need to see and things you need to know about Mecca and why it's different from other projects and why Mecca is the future and why Mecca growth is very paramount and why you should be a believer of Mecca and why you should join. So a lot of things are going to be exposed in this live stream, why the trade is actually going. So yes, we'll be right back, guys. So yeah, guys, welcome back, guys. I'm currently on my X, and I think this was the last post that was on my X currently, and please, guys, do well to follow this. Sorry, what happened? Do well to follow uh chain system. We want to follow change system. It's actually a new uh it's not a new Twitter actually, but just follow change system if you want to learn a lot of things. You're going to be sharing more insight about Mecca, Solana, and a lot. So you can learn a lot from joining this channel, from following this, and from following change systems, because I've learned a lot too. And yes, while still on that, let's quickly hop into the Mecca community. Sorry guys, what happened? X. Sorry, I'll be back. So guys, welcome back. I had a little glitch with my Twitter. So currently I'm in the Mecca official group. And yes, a post was made about 19 hours ago. And yes, I have to like this. I have to like this because I was like showing my support. Every bear market creates new sigmas. This is your circle. Make it count. Um, just the motivation. You just have to make positive comment, because actually Mecca has been uh, of great benefits to me. Just the motivation here to start up my day. Thank you for the nuggets. Start at Mecca. So yeah, actually, if you agree with me, it's a nugget of wisdom, because actually it shared a lot of wisdom here. Every bear market creates new sigmas who move in silent and staking. That's one of the attributes, or one of the uh, things you got to know about Mecca. Silently building, and those that build are the ones that actually take up uh, the market. Yes, so you build in silence, and in no time, it's going the results are going to be manifested in the open. So yes, and everybody's going to see the positive results. So yes, which while people are chasing the pumps, Mecca is building systems, it's building leverage, it's building communities, it's building a lot. So yes, I just took you through. You can join the this is a community post. Okay, on the DeFi and crypto space. Do well to also join if you want to join. Joining. I'm joining, of course, because uh, I want to get I want to connect. I want to get positives. Uh, I'm forgetting the word I'm to use now. Sorry. I want to get positive. What's the word? What's the word? Someone should remind me of the word in the current session. So yeah, I think you guys trying to get what I'm trying to say. So yes, that aside, we pause the stream for a couple of minutes, and I'll quickly. Okay, before that, let's quickly go to. This is the Maker community. Sorry, is this live running? Okay, this is the Maker community. Currently now we're at 26.4k followers. So yes, okay, post was made 5 days ago, and I liked it. And, so I just wanted to, yeah, site. Sorry, I have to put in my pin, so I have to pause this video. Sorry, sorry. So yeah, back at the site, waiting for network to load this up. I hope it loads it up. So yeah, if you want to stake, you can stake it up here. I don't know if the network is going to allow me to show you guys a little bit of processes here, but let's just give it a try to see if network is going to allow me. I doubt. Okay, it did. It did. Let's see. So you can come in here. Now we have about 231 stickers and still counting. So this is a real, this is originality. This is very, very authentic. This is not like the more you look, the less you see. So if you want to stick, you can stick in whatever you want to stick. Your interest here, connect your wallet here that you want to, and the number of MEA token you want to stake. So yes, and you will get your annual interest. That's annual interest in the sense your yearly interest. So if you might be lucky, one beautiful thing about staking the Mecca token is that currently you can see what the Mecca token is doing in the market. A lot of positivities in the market, and yes, so it has a lot of potential as you can see from the price actions, and there are a lot. And one thing is in the before the annually, meaning before the end of the year, you stand to gain something if the market goes very well. Now currently we're at 0.09. Just imagine that the market goes well maybe before the end of next month, December, and the market is about 0.012. That means you are in profit for staking. You get me? So you staked, and you're making a profit a lot, and you get your interest too for staking. It's just more like a bank. Uh, um, Putting in a fixed deposit. I don't know how it's done in other countries, but I'm talking based on Nigerian balance. So yeah, and you get your money back for staking in the bank, for investing in the bank, for that kind of a thing. So I don't know if I'm using the right words to actually describe this, but I hope you get me and understand me. So yeah, that aside, we have to pause this so that I'm going to show you guys a couple of things. We go to Google, go to Coin Market Cap, and see some things for ourselves. Currently, before I even progress, the market I said of late is actually um, consolidating. I would say a little bit of corrective moves here and there, even the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana space. And when I checked last, I saw that the total market cap was about 3.35 trillion dollars. That's one thing in the market. So we just hope for, and it's all about a little bit of movement, a little bit of positivity. Let's just hope. I don't know. What do you think will be the price of what do you think the Mecca token is going to be at? The price of Mecca token before the end of this month. You can tweet it. You can tweet it in the Twitter. Maybe I'll probably make a post and tag Mecca. You can tweet it in the. You can drop your comments in the comment section. I'll probably drop it in the comment section. Let's see. What do you think the price of Mecca is going to be at in the end of the month? For me, I'm very positive that the price is going to be hitting about 0.15. Yeah, if you have any contrary reasons as to why, because I can see from the price movement, if you back test, you're going to see and probably agree with me. Opinions too on what you think the price of Mecca is going to be in the next by the end of this month. That's November. Currently, we're on the 15th of November, and yes. So that being said, I think was able to share a little bit of insight, a lot of insight about Project Mecca, the MEA token, why it is the hottest token right now in Solana, and also I wanted to share why it's also different from other projects. Like I said, I've also said it one way or the other in this chat in the course of my live video. One of the reasons I said why it's different is you get to be empowered. That's creator empowerment. So you get empowered by Mecca a lot for participating and a lot your skills and what have you. And one thing you should know that Mecca is also listed on their Solana platform, is on the Solana. Yep, yeah. So one thing you should know about Solana is that the transactions are very effective, fast, and what have you. So whatever transaction you do in the Mecca ecosystem, just be rest assured that there's not going to be problem, there's not going to be glitch. In split seconds, your transaction is gone, and that's happened. So yeah, there are still a couple more insights you should know about it. The community participation, the community engagement, community growth. I've shared a lot. I've showed you a little bit of insight. I took you guys to the Telegram and I showed you things that be happening in the Telegram chats and what have you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this live stream. And before I get into the live stream, because I left the trade, so let's go back to the trade and see what the market's actually doing at that point. So I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, welcome back. Welcome back again. It's alright. So let's quickly go to the uh, trade and see what the trade is actually doing. So you go to your spot and you click on this place here, and you see okay, market we're currently going up. There's an upward movement. I think the bulls are actually in the market, and we can see. We just hope. I'm hoping. I'm going to be eyeballing this trade. Currently. Yes, because that's how I trade my MEA token. But I'm not advising you, it's not advisable to do that. You can set up a lot of things, set up your stop loss, your take profit. Very ideal for you guys. So yes, but I so much have so much faith on MEA token, and because actually made a little bit of loss here and there, profits too, because that's how days of trader. Some days are good, some days are bad. So yes, and of late, I kind of a few days ago, that's about a day or two, I've not been on the trade or on the market as a whole. So yeah, so notwithstanding, this trade is actually happening on the BingX. So you can download the BingX app and hop in, search for MEAs. Just search MEA and it's going to come out. MEA USDT. That's what we're trading against. So yeah, I'm going to leave this trade because I don't want to waste much of your time. Actually, I would have left this trade to keep running, but if you're going to be leaving the trade to the market to be doing this thing, it's going to take hours before we achieve some certain goals. So at that point, I think I'm going to take a bow and probably end this live stream and probably show you the results of what how the trade turned out, because you're going to actually see them in the chat how the trade turned out, because a couple of um, trade I've taken so far. So yeah, thank you guys for joining. If you are actually I took from this point, that's what okay. Oh, the market did. You see, I took at this buy point, and you see what happened here. So yeah, there's a lot of potentials in the market. So now, if you have anybody that is looking for a token to probably buy into or hold, you can just share the video, let them watch for themselves, let them see and try. I hope I was able to convince to some extent. This is not a hype, this is not a yap, whatever you call it. So you can do your findings. And I also always say before in any live stream I make that it's not a financial advice. You should always do your own research. You should always do your own research. I'm just sharing my insight based on what things I have seen the token do and why it's hot, the hottest gem. So you still do your own research, and don't forget to also get back, reach out. That way we get to learn, we get to share knowledge and all. You can also go to the X channel and just drop a little engagement post there, maybe positive post about Mecca. You just greet the community, GM, and stuff like that. Yeah, so uh, I think that'll be all for now. I don't want to take a couple of waste your time. I'm going to take about here, like I said. So you guys do have a great day. Do have a great time enjoying the market. Do have a great time trading the market. Do have a great time in the market, in the space, building. Let's keep building. Let's keep building, guys. Let's keep learning. Yes, let's keep learning. Let's keep connecting. Thank you guys for watching this live. I'm going to see you in my next live stream. Peace. Stay positive, guys. Thank you, guys.